Hi! Welcome to the Chef Rageous Walk Show! Today we're going to make beef chow fun. So earlier I made some beef marinated. Basically you want to have it medium rare, ready to cook. So it's almost like a cook twice beef. We have all the ingredients ready. We have a tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt. We have soy sauce. We have sesame oil. We have some pepper. This is also salt, by the way. We have some dark mushroom soy sauce. Sea salt, just in case we need more. And we have olive oil. Ingredients that you need to cook, which is bean sprouts, some minced garlic, and some green onions. Chopped around 1.5 length. And then we have the prep fun that was taken apart by me. Here we go. Now this is wok time. So basically to turn on the wok, you turn on the propane like this. Take a lighter, light here, boom, then you have fire. Time to cook. So basically you have to put it. Now beef chow fun, this is the traditional Hong Kong style beef chow fun. A lot of restaurants don't know how to make it that well. My personal taste, but I'm quite picky with comes with food. So you get all the oil kind of seasoned out, turn on the fire. Now we have some garlic. Put some little garlic in there. Don't overcook it, just little. Just cook a little bit, sizzle a little bit. Alright. By the time you know it, beef chow fun. Turn on the fire just a little bit. Just mix it up just here and there. Make sure you turn down the fire when you put ingredients. I personally, sometimes I kind of forget. Put some salt first. Yep, that's sea salt, alright. 1, 2, 3. Around 3 tablespoons salt. We got some sugar. 1, 2, 3. Then we add some soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds, 4. And then, so we turn on the wok again. Stir it up a little bit. Make sure to flavor in every noodle. Like so. Turn it down just a little bit. Now you want to make sure every chow fun has some flavoring to it. I usually just take a little taste test. Okay, not even close. Add a little more soy sauce. Now, beef chow fun, like I mentioned earlier, salt and sugar should be the consistent same, okay? With beef chow fun, there's more sugar than salt. So, a little more sugar. This is sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little pinches. Turn up the fire. Here we go again. Now, it's for the rest of the ingredients. So we have the bean sprouts, some green onions, stir it up just good enough. Now it's time for the beef. Put all those lovely beef in there. Now remember, the beef that you brought out was already cooked medium rare, okay? Like a little more rare. You know, a little more soy sauce. The base of this dish flavoring is soy sauce and sugar. More sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're almost finished here. Now the dark soy sauce. This has a little flavor into the dish and also gives it a little coloring as well. Now notice why I'm using a chopstick, because a chopstick doesn't tend to destroy your noodles. You pick it up like so, give it consistent stir to it. And another taste test. Almost there. A little more soy sauce and sugar and we're good to go. 1, 2. Splash those dark soy sauce one more time. That's good enough. Some sugar. 1, 2, 3. A little salt, 1 teaspoon of salt would be good. That's going to hurt. Just about finished. Now the sesame oil comes into play. Take the sesame oil, flip it all around the wok. Stir one time. Voila! Then we finish beef chow fun. Let's try some over here. Now, does that look like beef chow fun to you or what? Let me try this. Wow! Homemade beef chow fun. Just for you. Stay tuned for next week. I'll surprise you. I'll let you know. Have a good day. Bye-bye.